A few weeks ago, I made a video about why it's so important to quickly and ethically kill your fish and then properly bleed it out to ensure optimal flavor and freshness at the dinner table. I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this one if you'd like to check it out later. But as I mentioned in that video, using a fish club of one kind or another is the fastest and the most humane way to kill a fish. Now you can club a fish on the head to quickly dispatch it with almost anything, such as a big stick, a rock, a tool of one kind or another. However, using a designated fish club that's actually designed for effectively killing fish is ideal. Now you can buy fish clubs at most tackle shops or you can order one online, but it's much more fun and satisfying to make your own. They also make a nice homemade gift for all of your fishing family members and friends. In this video, I'll show you how to make a fish club from a piece of hickory, but you can use any kind of hardwood as a substitute. Over the years, I've used many different kinds of fish clubs to ethically and quickly dispatch my catch, and quite often I just use a rock. But when I'm fishing on a boat or in situations that I'm really focused on harvesting as many fish as I can for the freezer, I'll bring along a designated fish club. Now I have one particular club design that I really like, but the one that I bought from the store is made out of hard plastic, which is chipped and even broke in two when going to work on big fish. Thus, I found the need to improve on the design by making a similar one myself out of good old Missouri hickory. As I mentioned in the intro, you can make a fish club out of any kind of hardwood. And please keep in mind that this video is simply an overview of the project to give you some ideas for making an awesome fish club of your own. So let's get to it. So there you have it, my friends. That's an overview of how you can make a cool-looking and very effective fish club for quickly and ethically dispatching your catch. If you'd like to see lots more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.